Sorting is a very common task in programming. Especially in competitive programming, sorting is often one of the first steps to solve a problem. In this video, we want to look at the bubble sort algorithm. The bubble sort algorithm is an algorithm to sort lists in order from lowest to highest value. The algorithm is called bubble sort because the higher values are bubbling through the list like air bubbles in the water. The algorithm compares values lying beside each other. If the value on the left is bigger than the value on the right, the two values are switched. You go step by step through the whole list. In every step, you will find the highest unordered value and place it at its position. You can see this here in the video. If the value on the left side is bigger, then they are switched. If they are not bigger, they are not switched, and the values just stay there. At the end, the whole list is ordered, starting with the lowest value on the left to the highest value on the right. But now enough of the theory. Let's go and look at the code. We start with an unordered list that we want to order. Here we have some random values typed in. Then we go in our first loop. The first loop is for traversing through the list, to order one position after the other. The first position that will be ordered will be the last one. In the second loop, we will compare the values with each other. If the number on the left, so list to order j, is bigger than list to order j plus 1, so the right neighbor, then the values are swapped. That means list to order j will be list to order j plus 1, and list to order j plus 1 will be list to order j. The first loop is in range from the length of the list to order, so every position gets ordered. The second loop just goes to a range of length of list to order minus 1, because we are comparing one value with the right neighbor, and at the last position we don't have a neighbor. The algorithm can be improved, because with every traversing through the outer loop, we can do one comparison less, because the numbers on the right are ordered. If you're interested on how to visualize such sorting algorithms, let me know it in the comments and I will make a separate video about it. Thank you for watching and wish you a wonderful day. Bye!